What's up, guys? It's Ben here, and I'm bringing you a review of the Mossy Oak hunting tool. It's a cool Mossy Oak right there. It's a multi-tool, like I said, 3 blades on it. One's a saw. We'll get on to the first blade. Stainless steel, very sharp, kind of cool looking blade. 2 holes in it. Mossy Oak logo. Fine edge. On to the next blade. This one's like the first. It is fine edge with 1 hole in it, except for it has a gut hook on the top. Like that. Fine edge too. On to the next blade. This is a saw. It's kind of crappy. 2 holes in it. Doesn't really saw through anything except for like 1 inch thick. And all the blades lock into place and unlock when you press these buttons. This one for the saw, middle one for the gut hook, and this one for the fine edge blade. It's really cool camo, a lanyard hole in the bottom, a big hunk of metal right here for all the knives. It's a really cool blade and all. And that is the Mossy Oak hunting tool.